Drink puck. This is 13 millimeter, torqued to 30 Newton meter.
There are 3 tabs to hold the intake tubes. One here, and one at the bottom. The top 2 are easy to remove. The bottom one, you need to wiggle the tubes out. The oil filter sits under the charge pipe, so we use the 27 millimeter socket to remove it, and after replacing the filter, torque it down to 25 Newton meter. After fill up with 6 liters of motor oil, now it's time to reset the service warning or indicator. It should be on the odometer settings in the middle screen. You press the ignition button without starting the car, and then you use the back buttons. Press the back button once and then press the middle buttons to bring up the service menu. Scroll down to the Assist Plus and then select it, and then it will ask you to press the ignition button once. So just press it without starting the car. Select service data. That will show you the next service time and how many kilometers or miles left for the next service. Press the back button once to exit the service data, and then scroll down to the full service item and then select it to reset the service interval. For brake pad replacement, go to the service menu just like before, and then scroll down to brake pad replacement. Now you see condition not fulfilled. Then you go ahead to start the car, start the engine. After that, put it into neutral and release the parking brake and shut down the engine. A moment later, you see the message move to fitting position with OK. So just press the OK, and then you will move the brake into the service position. You see the 2 parking indicators, the yellow and the red one on the dashboard.